can change the font color, but what else can you change the color of here in Google? Let me show you. Hi, I'm Michelle, and if we haven't met before, I'm a computer coach here sharing tips and tricks on your everyday software to make life that little bit easier. Here I am in Google Docs just to give you an idea about what you can do, and of course I've already put some items on my page just to give you a quick demo. You'll notice that the first word has already been formatted with color, which is the one option that I think everybody tends to think about. But we do have some additional options. You'll see that I've got a couple of words that highlighted. That's actually using the highlight color, which of course we have a few options available, plus you can change those. I'll link a video in the corner here which shows you how you can choose the different colors. But have you noticed that there's also a line around the paragraph? So that's a paragraph border, something that we can make use of. As well as changing the border, we can also format the background of a paragraph of text as well. We've got our image options, so you can always insert a drawing and add in whatever images you want, and there's all of the formatting available there. Plus, of course, the classic of inserting a table and then changing the background. So there's a few options that we can do here, and remember these are replicated throughout the whole of Google's Office suite, so have a play and test that out. If you'd like to know more, click on the link in the description and in the first pinned comment, where I'll have a link to my blog which takes you through all the options for both Google and Microsoft. And if you found this video useful, please remember to like and subscribe to be notified as new videos become available to you. That's all for today.